Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to delete beneficiary in our Rajhi Bank application. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Now, in order to delete beneficiary, the first step is to open the app. Simply open the Rajhi Bank application, then log into your account using your username and password. Then simply tap on login. Now once logged in, on the bottom of your screen you will find the option that says transfers. Simply tap on that. Then, once you're inside the transfers option, you'll find beneficiaries or manage beneficiaries. Simply select that. Now once you're inside the beneficiary, what you need to do is find the beneficiary name you want to delete and then simply tap on it. Then once you tap on it, you'll be provided with the delete or trash icon right next to it. Simply tap on it and then confirm yes or delete to delete it. The next step is to enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile. Confirm your verification, and then once you enter the code and tap on verify, the selected beneficiary will be deleted. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply to delete beneficiary, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like and see you soon on the next one.